not much for thrills, and says things with fancy frills don't turn her on. She seems so content, working hard to make our house a home. She's steady as a rock, standing by me even when I don't succeed. Lord, I wish I could afford the things she swears she don't really need. She don't need a band to dance. It don't take wings for her to fly. Our love's gonna grow if there ain't much do-so-do. We're still gonna be alright. We make such pretty music. She can tell just a glance. When I take a notion, she seconds that emotion. She don't need a band to dance. She didn't say a thing. We had to pawn a ring to pay the rent. But what I'm making overtime stacked against the bills don't make a dent. Just when I think I've let her down, failed to be the man I ought to be, still sees the bright side of everything, including me. She don't need a band to dance. It don't take